is up everyone, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a big box for the Gao Gai Gar model kit, which is from the GM. So this is the company name, I think, and this is the final grand glorious gathering version for this Gao Gai Gar. So this is, I think, the model kit copy for the Soul of Chogokin model for this Gao Gai Gar. And let's check this kit out and let's see what this big box has to offer us. The box is really huge for this kit, so I will open it for us to see the printings on the side of the box. So let's review first the side of the box. Here we can see the front view and some action poses for this model kit, where he can wield the super pile driver. I think this is the pile driver, and there you can attach the pile driver on the side of, or the right left hand or left arm. But I think this is interchangeable, whether you like to put it on the right side also. I will discover it once I build this. Then there we can see some poses like this. I really like the hands of this Gao Gai Gar because this is articulated. The reason why I bought this because of that articulated hands. And there we got some big backpack here. So this is like a stilt bomber in real life. And so on the other side of the box, you can see nothing except for the picture of this Gao Gai Gar here. And the box is already damaged on my part here. So let's go with the contents. So this box has so many contents here. We got this gold pieces here for the lion face. Then we got chunky black parts here for the legs. And we got this dark parts for the inner frame. Also this one, chunky parts for the backpack. And we got this white parts here for the armor pieces. Transparent parts, black parts, orange parts for the pile driver, red parts, which is already opened here. And this gold parts again for, I think this one for the lion face. Black parts for inner frame parts. Other black parts for the boosters or the backpack. It's really heavy. See, the parts here, even though this is just the runner, this is already heavy. What more if you completed this kit? And there, black parts for some armor pieces. Then we got some instruction here for the application of the lightings. So we got here pre-painted parts, by the way. We got some pre-painted train parts here. Then here we got the lighting effects. And the articulated hands with metal pins for joint purposes. And there we got the dual hand, or I don't know what kind of technique is this. Just comment it in the comment section, please. And we got stickers, foil stickers for the Gao Gai Gar eyes and the lion eyes. And we got two sets of this, which is very nice. I appreciate the company for giving us two sets of this in case I damage the other sheet. I still have the spare sheet here. So let's go with the instruction manual. Instruction manual here, we got a big magazine-like manual. So it's a straightforward instruction manual. We got here the parts list. By the way, I bought this from Hobby King or Hobby Wang shop from Divisoria through Shopee online. So there we can see how to assemble this kit, and it's not that hard to build. Even though the kit is large, the assemble process is not that complex. Okay. There we got the Gao Gai Gar pictures on the back of the manual and some sticker application. So this is the sticker guide for this kit. Okay guys, I forgot to mention that this kit is a 1/100 scale kit, and so let's expect that this is larger than the 1/100 scale Gundam model if we're going to compare the height and size of this kit afterwards. And you know that each runner, as I observe, has a heavy weight on them, so I'm expecting that after I finish this kit, the finished product is really massively, hugely heavy, and that's already superlative. Okay, so let's first review the runners before we build this kit. Let's start with the pre-painted parts here. These are separated pieces here. There are no runners for this part. These are the train heads. These are train heads that will be placed on the shoulder of Gao Gai Gar. And we got this nicely done articulated hands with articulated fingers, of course, with metal pins attached for the phalanges. And it's very nice. I like the construction of this hand here, considering that this kit should have the kind of hands like this, because this is big already. It's a big kit already. Anyway, let's go with the runners here. We got dark gray runners for the tracks, and I think this is for the leg part. So these are runner M. We got two sets of runner M here. Then let's go here with these gray runners again, runner N and another runner N. So we got two sets of runner N. Let's go with this chunky parts here, which is, see, there's this heavy weight on this runner for the wings of the stealth bomber. This is runner C and another runner C. So we got two sets of runner C here, black parts, and then another black parts here. We got runner B. For the white parts, we got runner I, runner J, and I noticed there's another runner I, so we got two sets of runner I here. Then we got this gold parts, runner G for the lion head part. We got this red parts here, runner E. So we got two sets of these. Then we got this transparent part here, and this is a bit rubbery. The quality of the plastic here is a bit rubbery, and it's not that brittle. This is runner H. So we go here with the other sets here for the orange runners. For the pile driver, this is runner G. We got gold parts here, runner F for the lion's mane, and for the drill on the knees. Then we got this chunky parts for the legs. We got runner D here. Yep. These are runner D. Yep, this is runner D. And we got gray parts here. Runner K for the pile driver, and I think this is these are double, or these are spare for each. I think this is a spare part. One of these are to be used, and one is a spare runner. And finally, we got this chunky part here for the Stilt Bomber runner A. Then we got the parts here for the clasp hands and parts for the lighting. There's a battery there, so we can apply this lighting afterwards. And so we got the instruction manual and the stickers, foil stickers, 2 sets of foil stickers. So thank you very much for watching this unboxing of the Gao Gai Gar, the final gathering from GM, or the Genesic machine. Thank you so much, and see you next time after I finish the build. Goodbye, God bless, take care, masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat, Happy New Year.